Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a twisted top knot ninja bun with a braiding hair. So the extension I'll be using here is from Darling Braiding Hair, and I just used just one out of the pre-stretched hair. Usually they have about 5 or 6 pre-stretched braiding hair in a pack, so I used just one pre-stretched braiding hair. So once you're done, you want to you can actually use any braiding hair for this. Is just basically what I used for my twisted top knots ninja bun. So yeah, I'm basically just parting my hair into two so that I can get this ponytail as high as possible. So once you're done with that, you just use a rubber band to hold that in place, and then I'll be using another rubber band also to connect the front one to the back. So yeah, this is just to make my high ponytail as long as possible. So basically just using the spray to slick the ponytail properly. So yeah, and just repeating the same process that I did for the back to the front. So yeah, once you are done with that, you just brush that all the way to the other rubber band just to connect it like so. So yeah, once we are done with this, we're just gonna make sure that we do the edges, and after the edges I would also show you guys how to attach the braiding hair on the top part of the bun. So yeah, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So this is the product that I'm using for the edges. It's called the hair wax actually. So yeah, I'll be leaving the link in the description box so that you can be able to get this if you want to. So yeah, once you're done with this, you want to make sure that you use this brush. This is the edge brush that I'm using. I'll also be leaving the link in the description. Now you guys can check it out if you want to purchase this. So yeah, just keep watching. So in order to attach the braiding hair, you just need to use the rubber band that is already in the extension to connect to your hair like so. And then once you are done with that, you're basically just using the braiding hair just to tuck it inside and make sure that it's as invisible as possible. So once you're done with that, we're gonna be using the twist method to twist the braiding hair like so. Make sure that your braiding hair is as neat as possible before twisting to avoid any rough edges. So yeah, once you're done, we're basically just twisting and wrapping at the same time. So yeah, just keep watching, and it is very easy. Like, you don't need to go to the salon to do this. This is something that you can easily do from the comfort of your home. If you follow this process, you'll be able to do this by yourself. Like, there is no magic to this. So yeah, so as you're twisting, you're making sure that you're putting it at the down part of the ponytail like so. So once you do that, the twist knots would just be coming up like so. So if you want this bigger, just make sure that you use like 2 braiding hair for this, and it will come out looking as big as possible. So yeah, that is basically how to do the twisted top knots ninja bun. Hope you guys found this video very interesting, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And yeah, that is all for this tutorial, guys.